In this video, I show you how to download and install Steam on your Mac. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below. Thanks for leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And let's get right into this guide. So, at the moment, you can't go and get Steam from the App Store, which means we're going to have to go and open up a web browser. So personally, I'm using Safari on my Mac, and you can use the same as well, but you can use any browser you like, and all you need to do is come to a search engine and go and search for Steam. But do keep watching on showing the official website, and I'm then also showing you how to go and install it. And it's called Welcome to Steam. Wait for it to load. And the next you want to do is actually go and create a Steam account before you go and install Steam. It's just a lot easier. So all you want to do is go to the top right to where it says login, just up here, go and tap on login. Even though you haven't got an account, then once you're on this page here, all you need to do is scroll down. And as you can see, there's a button for join the theme. So you're going to tap on it. And then all you need to do is enter an email, confirm your email address, and then you can go and read the agreement and go and create your account.t. It's really easy. I've already got an account. So I'm going to go and sign in. So I've just gone and signed into my Steam account now. And the next thing you want to do is going to have my install Steam in the top right of the website, just up here. So we look through, let's go and tap on it, just like so. And so Steam is the ultimate destination for playing, discussing, and creating games. Let's go and press on install Steam, just like so. And this is go start the download. As you can see, I do need to go and press allow, just like so. And then the download will be in, and it's now gone into my download steam.dmg. But let's go and run this. So all you want to do is click on it, then double click on it. And it's now going to go and open up, and now it's opening it. Install this now. The next thing you want to do is go and drag Steam into the applications folder, just like so. And it's going to take a moment for it to copy the information over. And then you can go and close off the installer, just like so. And all you want to do is going to open your Launchpad and go and find Steam, which is here, and go and tap on it. And then it's going to go and open up, as you can see. You need to go and agree to go and open it up to tap open if you're sure you want to. And then it's going to go launch. And now it's going to go and update. Because if you notice, a really small initial download, because that was just a launcher, and now it's actually downloading its content, and then once it's finished installing and updating, Steam is going to automatically open up, and we need to go and sign in with our account name and password. So I'm going to sign in now. As you can see, you can use the QR code as well, but just go and use that in your account you just created, and you will need to go and complete the Steam guard as well. And then here we are on Steam, so you can have this pop up here for your chat and friends, but I'm going to close that for now. You can view all your games. I just have got Counter-Strike on this account, but you can go and tap on your store, and then you can go and search for any game you'd like, which is available on Steam, and go and purchase it and download it if it's available for Mac. And that's literally it, guys. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing. Peace.